Oh my goodness. Look at it. This is crazy. People, it is Wednesday, the 10th of February, 2010. This is the snowstorm of 2010. It's so beautiful, but it's so treacherous and cold. Anyway, y'all, I just wanted to document this because I have never seen, well, I have seen snow as much as this, but not here in DC/Maryland/Virginia. But this is my apartment. I'm on my balcony, and it's no joke. That's our plow people. Well, our maintenance people. They just plowing. But I don't know how much good it's doing because this is coming down thick and heavy and fast. So pretty. Yeah. And yes, people, if you look way over yonder, those are actually cars that are buried underneath the snow. Let's see if we can zoom in. Yep, those are cars, but you can't see them because they are totally submerged in this fluffy white stuff. It's going to take forever for this to be to go away. And you know, I can't wait for the summer. And at this rate, will summer ever come? And actually, it's not the 10th. It's the 12th. But anyway, there's one good thing. Well, a few good things that come out of this. No work. Yay!